The seven deadly sins mentioned in the word of the Lord, although once you committed sin, it's a sin. There's no such thing as deadly. No? One of the things that was mentioned is pride, and the opposite of pride is humility. Now, what is pride? Pride is seeing ourselves as we are and not comparing ourselves to others. Is humility, while pride and vanity are competitive. If someone else's pride really bothers you, you have a lot of pride. Now, secondly, it's about greed. This is about more than money. And the opposite of greed is generosity. So generosity means letting others get the credit or praise. It is giving without having expectations of the other people. While greed wants to get its fair share or a bit more. Para bang sinasabi natin, yung sa'yo sa akin, yung akin sa akin. Okay? Now, thirdly, envy o inggit. Love is patient. Love is kind. Love is actively seeks the good of others for their sake. So, ang opposite ng envy is love. And every envy resents the good others receives or even might receive, while envy is almost indistinguishable from pride at times. Now, fourth is wrath or anger. And the opposite of these two, wrath or anger, is kindness. Now, kindness means taking the tender approach with patience and compassion, while anger is often our first reaction to the problems of others. Impatience with the faults of others is related to this. So makikita natin na ang anger is really one of the deadly sins. But again, I would say, ang kasalanan ay kasalanan. Now, the next thing is lust, yung pagnanasa. Pagnanasa. And the opposite is self-control. Self-control and self-mastery prevent pleasure from killing the soul by suffocation. Legitimate pleasures are controlled in the same way an athlete muscles are for maximum efficiency without damage. Lust is the self-destructive drive for pleasure out of proportion to its worth. Now, like sex, power, or image can be used well, but they tend to go out of control. Now, yung pagnanasa, makakakita ka lang ng binti ng babae, pinagnanasahan mo na. Yun ang tinatawag na lust of the flesh. Now, next is gluttony. Gluttony, yung pagiging matakaw. Pagiging matakaw. Opposite of this thing is faith and temperance. Temperance accepts the natural limits of pleasures and preserve this natural balance. So, hindi ka masiba o hindi ka matakaw, kundi opposite nito. Pagka nabusog ka, busog na. Ito yung tinatawag na minsan ay takaw mata. Pagka nakakita ng pagkain, kahit busog na, nagpupumilit pa rin. Ang sinasabi ay gusto pa kasi gusto pa ng bibig ko, pero ayaw na ng tiyan ko. So yung katakawan ay isang malaking kasalanan. And this does not pertain only to food, but to entertainment and other legitimate goods and even the company of others. So, pagiging hindi lang sa pagkain, kundi yung hilig mo sa isang bagay, katulad ng sapatos, katulad ng mga damit, na kahit meron ka na, at dahil kasama rito yung inggit o yung envy, nagnanasa ka pa rin na magkaroon ka. Kung ano yung merong iba, gusto mo magkaroon ka rin. So, last is sloth. While the opposite of sloth is zeal. Zeal is the energetic response of the heart to God's commands. So makikita natin dito ay pag sloth ka ay maraming ibig sabihin. Ibig sabihin ay para kang tamad, baliwala sa iyo lahat ng bagay, wala kang energy sa lahat ng bagay, ay hindi naman kagustuhan ng ating Panginoon. So pagkat ang gusto ng Panginoon para sa isang Kristiyano ay may energy ka palagi. Energy in serving people, energy in serving the Lord, energy in everything, maging sa pag-aaral mo. Kaya tandaan natin na yung seven deadly sins na binabanggit sa atin, na inire-reveal sa atin, ay panuntunan lang natin o pamantayan na mga kasalanan na gagawa ng isang Kristiyano. Subalit kung titingnan natin in a very broad sense, ang kasalanan ay kasalanan. Parang sinasabi natin, maliit man o malaki na ginawa mo ay kasalanan pa rin. So there's no such thing as white lies, sapagkat ang lahat ay kasalanan in the sight of God. Kasalanan ay kasalanan at walang maliit, walang malaki, basta ginawa mo at alam mong hindi nakabibigay ng kaluwalhatian sa Diyos, ay malaking kasalanan. So nawa ay naintindihan natin na sa atin bilang mga Kristiyano at may pagkakilala sa ating Panginoon, ay markahan natin at tandaan natin sa puso natin na sa harapan ng ating Panginoon, anything na ginagawa mo against His will, anything that you are doing not right in the sight and in the presence of God is a sin. Not only pride, that includes pride, greed, envy, anger, lust, gluttony, and sloth. Amen.